cheating boyfriend while installing my wig. Hey guys, so today while I am installing this wig, I need to tell you something crazy that just happened. I found out my boyfriend was cheating, and the way I discovered it, let's just say it was something I never expected. You know that gut feeling you try to ignore? Why mine was screaming the whole time and I finally listened. Stick with me while I tell you exactly what went down. So first, I'm just flattening my braid under this wig cap, nothing fancy yet, just making sure my hair is smooth. While I do this, I want to explain the first sign I noticed with my boyfriend. He started replying really short to my messages, always seemed distracted, and suddenly he was staying late at work a lot. I told myself maybe it is just stress, but my gut kept nudging me, telling me to pay attention. Then, little things kept piling up. He smelled different sometimes, like codeine I didn't buy him. He started dressing up more, even for just quick errands, and when I asked about it, he will laugh it off or say I was being paranoid. Have you ever had someone make you feel like you are imagining things on your head? Yeah, that was me. Now, I am just laying the lace on my wig, smoothing it carefully across my hairline. While I do this, I remember thinking about all those little signs. Every time he smiled, I kept wondering if it was fake or real. And all those moments that felt off, suddenly they made sense. My heart knew the truth before my mind could admit it. One night, he went to the shower and his phone lit up. Normally, I wouldn't even look, but something told me, check it, and there it was. Messages from another girl, long conversations, inside jokes, even pictures. My chest just sank. It was like all my suspicions finally turned real. I felt shocked, angry, and honestly, so sad. I couldn't believe he had been lying to me this whole time. While I am trimming the excess lace on this wig, I am just taking a moment to process everything. I kept asking myself, how did I not see this sooner? But then I realized something we ignore. Things because we don't want to face the truth. And that is okay. It doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. When I finally confronted him, of course, he denied it. Why won't he deny it? Have you ever caught someone cheating red-handed and they won't even deny it? They will deny it at first, but when you have evidence, they will keep it short. Called me insecure, told me I was overreacting, even tried to make me feel like I was the problem. But when I showed him the screenshot, complete silence. No apology, no explanation, just quiet. And that quiet, that hurt more than anything else he could have said. I remember just staring at him, thinking, wow, this is the person I trusted the most, and this is how it ends. Now, I'm just fixing the edges on the wig, combining the baby hairs a bit. While I do this, I reflect on how much I have grown from this. It is just about the heartbreak. It is about realizing my worth and that I don't need anyone lying to me to feel complete. In that moment, I felt this wave of calm. I wasn't angry. I wasn't crying. I wasn't just done. I was just done giving my time, my love, my energy to someone who did not deserve it. Losing someone like that is not a loss, it is a wake-up call. And honestly, I felt free for the first time in a long time. I promised myself never again will I settle for less than I deserve. So as I finish installing this wig, I just want to say this. If you have been through something similar, you are not alone. It hurts, but it also teaches you your strength. And one thing I know for sure, I may cry for a day, but I will still get up, do my hair, and look good because no one and nothing can dim my shine. Take care of yourself and remember your worth always. Thank you guys for watching. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do where to subscribe, give it a like, and comment down below for let me hear your thoughts, and let me hear what you think about this. Thank you guys, and bye bye. See you.
Woke up feeling right, sunshine nice and bright, ran my hands through my hair.